Hi, I'm the cleaning lady, and I've been a professional house cleaner for almost 20 years. I've worked with hoarders, the elderly, people with disabilities, and a lot of people who just hate to clean or don't know how. And I've created a website full of tips and what the heck? How did people do anything in these dresses back then? Okay. Today we're trying out Prolux's 2.0 Bagless Backpack Vacuum Cleaner. Prolux has been around for 20 years and is probably the best vacuum cleaner company you've never heard of. They invented the first carpet shampooer that can fit any wet dry vac, the first central vacuum system, and the first bagless backpack vacuum, which I'm very excited to try out today. So let's check it out. I haven't opened the box yet. Figured I'd do that with everyone. Now what the... I should have done this earlier. I don't know what's going on here. Huh. Ooh. Okay, let's see what we have. This is the head with the beater bar. Got the long pole attachment. Oh, and I can get this out. Ah. Ooh, the actual backpack. Okay, that's neat. Okay, so this is it. We've got a lot of attachments. We've got the main motor unit with the dust canister. We've got a flexible hose. We've got the shoulder straps on the back. And it does have a HEPA filter. We've got the carpet floor brush right here. We've got the crevice tool, upholstery pet hair tool, which I love. I have 2 dogs. We have a dusting brush. We have the mini turbo pet tool. Which one is that? Right. Which one's the other one? 9. That. Okay. Quick adjusting telescopic wand, the squeegee blade, the squeegee floor tool, the on and off power switch, tool adapter. It's got a self-cleaning filter cone, additional tool storage, and easy access cord storage. Okay. Okay. So this thing goes in here. I'm not showing off a little more than they can show on YouTube. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to break it before I even try it. What is the deal? All right, there we go. That goes in there. This has another piece to it. Okay, there we go. Okay, there's the wand. Got dog hair all over it already. All right, where is this thing? Okay. Let's see, we got this. Come on. All right. This thing. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty long. That's what she said. All right, let's put on the head. Not going to make any more of those kind of jokes. Okay. Nice. All right. Let's plug her in and let her rip. Oh, yeah, I got to put it on, I guess. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's put this on. Okay. Let's see. All right. This might be a little awkward at first. All right. That goes there. Get my fuck here. Alright. Maybe you should adjust the straps before you try to put it on. Alright, let's try this again. Okay, so I am all strapped in. Finally got my jetpack that I always wanted for Christmas. Just kidding. Alright, let's see. Okay. Alright, let's try it. Ready? Oh man, come on. I'll have to take this fuck off. Okay. Okay, so it has a power button on the side in the back. It's a little awkward, but it's big enough where you can find it. Okay. Let me do this. All right. I think we're ready to go. Oh, I like the lights. All right. It's got pretty good suction. Now, it does have an on-off switch for the beater bar, so you can go on to hardwood floors. So that would be off, but it's still sucking. Now, you don't want to use a beater bar on your hardwood floors because over time it will dull and damage the finish. Okay. So bending down is a little awkward. You get hit in the head with this thing. Okay. We'll try this on the beanbag. This is Mr. Cleaning Lady's beanbag from the 1980s. And seen better days. But this is a perfect thing to try this pet attachment on. Pretty good. You guys see that? Okay, so I'm not going to try and use all the attachments, but I really wanted to use this one. So this is it running. It's pretty quiet. I would like to point out that hot air blows out of these vents, and some of it blows right onto your back. So if you're using it in the winter, you got a nice little backpack heating unit. But otherwise, I think that might be a design flaw. So this thing does swing around like so. But the way it's positioned, it does hit your head when you're bending down. And you do a lot of bending down when you're cleaning floors and vacuuming. So the canister itself is easy enough to take off and dump. You got the little handle right here. And then that one. And then there's the little button to release the bottom contents. So all in all, I think it's a pretty neat little vacuum. There are some things that I believe they should probably go back to the drawing board for, but I know that some people may like it, some people may not. If you are a professional cleaner, you may like it because you know, especially for big houses and things like that, lots of different types of flooring. They do have a cordless one, I believe, which maybe work better in many situations because you have so many cords and hoses everywhere that it gets a little confusing, and it's also a trip hazard. So, but all in all, it's a great concept. I'll leave the link below if you're interested in learning more about it and going to their website. All right. Thanks so much for spending time with me. Bye.